Check the coordinates on the map again.
We need to triangulate from the east bank.
The seismic data here is concerning. We must adjust the foundation depth.
But the flow rate simulation shows optimal.
Keep the rod steady right there.
I have the reading locked in.
We finished marking the upper strata.
Lower it slowly, watch the left side. Okay, easy now, easy. We need more aggregate in the next batch. Adjust the input.
Copy that. Increasing aggregate feed.
All right, easy now. Set the coupling. It's secure. Moving on. Diversion is complete. The river is flowing through the tunnels. Excellent work, everyone.
Initiate sequence now. Monitor the flow rate at gate 3. Sequence initiated. Flow rate is stabilizing.
Lower it slowly. Watch the alignment.
Check the laser alignment now.
It's perfectly centered. Go ahead.
That's tight.
Confirmed on the readout. Stand by for initialization.
Bring it down slowly, easy on the left. We're almost there.
Hydraulic pressure is nominal.
Reading confirmed on the main screen. We are clear for descent.
the turbidity levels are still rising with the water flow.
Yes, and the oxygen saturation is dropping in sector 4. We have a pressure spike on turbine 4.
Acknowledged. Running diagnostics now.
See this hairline fracture right here.
Got it. Tapping confirms the density change. We should log that for priority repair.
There's a slight displacement here, consistent with the long-term monitoring data.
Agreed. We should monitor this section closely next quarter.
Look at the flow rate here. It's slightly elevated.
I see it.
Rerouting power to the auxiliary grid now.
We need to reduce the flow by 5 cubic meters per second.
Acknowledged. Applying the change now.
The ecosystem indicators are stabilizing. It's working.
Check the pressure gauges on the main control panel.
Reading steady at 500 psi.
Bring her in nice and slow. Watch the fenders.
Copy that, Control. We are secure inside.
All units, this is Control. The simulation is active. Move to Phase 2.
Field team acknowledging Phase 2. Boat is in the water. Pressure looks good on the gauge.
All right, valve is fully seated. Let's move to the next one.
The current fluctuation correlates directly with the upstream levels.
Rerunning the long-term model now. Stress points are well.
Reroute the hydro transfer immediately. We're showing instability at substation 4.
Initiating phase correction now.
Confirmed, the grid is stabilizing.